Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Veronica, and today I am making emulsified sugar scrub. I have an event coming up on Saturday, and I would like to make a scrub. This is going to be the first time I've ever made a sugar scrub. I make soaps, body butters, but this is the first time I've ever made an emulsified sugar scrub. In this bowl right here, I just have my e-wax, my hard oils, they're all melted, my Candelilla wax. This is a vegan version of this. And you can find plenty of recipes to make this here on YouTube. I'll link a few down below that you'll be able to find. And you can tweak it, add different oils and different butters to your liking, different fragrances. And so I just have everything measured out. I'm about to check the temperature now so that I can add my fragrance and add my preservative. So it has to be under 140, and we're at 111. So it's cold enough to add my preservative, which I'm using Optifin. It's paraben free. If you hear any noise in the background, that's my son. So excuse the noise. Well, that's that. I'm also going to go on ahead and add my fragrance oil, which is warm apple pie. And that's an ounce of that. So trying to go with the fall theme. Before I go on ahead and add my sugar, which is right over here off to the side, I'm going to stick blend this because if you can see, there's like little pieces in there that's solidified already, and that's just the wax that I use. And I'm going to go on ahead and stick blend this, and just really quickly. Alrighty. Now I'm going to go on ahead and put my stick blender off to the side. I'm going to go on ahead and add the sugar. It's already measured out, so I'm just gonna pour in little by little. This is about 23 ounces of sugar. You can add more or less depending on what kind of consistency you want. I really want it to really scrub to get rid of those dead skin cells, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. Alrighty. Now, if your sugar scrub seems a little runny at first, you always have to remember this is going to solidify because you have the waxes. So this will solidify. So it's going to be easier when you're in the tub to scrape out of the jar so it's not getting all over the place. What's so great about emulsifying sugar scrubs is the fact that once water hits it, it turns into lotion. So it's not just going to be like an oil and sugar scrub, you know, and it's just gonna slick and fall right off your skin. It's really gonna help moisturize your skin, get into those crevices, and it's just not gonna slide off so easily when you're in the tub or the shower. Add in a little bit more. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I do have my jars off to the side. These are 4-ounce jars. I order mine from Apothecary, or Apothecary? Can't say that word right. That's a really good company. I really like them. I haven't had any issues. So nice, this thick consistency like I like. I plan on doing to help make this a little bit even, like a little more exfoliating. I'm going to be adding a little bit of Rasul clay into this mixture. Not a ton. Just a little bit. This is what, a 1/4 teaspoon. Not a whole lot. Colorant. But I'm trying to figure out which kind I would like. Okay guys, sorry, I'm back phone just shut off on me mid recording. So where I left off, I was gonna add the colorant. I've already since added, and I just purchased this colorant from Brambleberry. The color, it's red mica, but it kind of has like a pink hue to it. It's very pretty, but it's definitely not red. So I mixed that all in there. It's all incorporated. I got the consistency that I want, and I'm just adding them to my 4-ounce jars. All right, so I'm gonna put the soap embeds on each one. I also have some of these, so they're not all green. And this mica is called, I'll place it in a description box below, but I purchased it from TKB. It's very, very, very pretty. All skin safe micas. And there you go. This is apple pie. I'm not sure what I'm gonna call it yet, but it's scented with apple pie. Sugar scrub. My hands are so smooth. Oh my gosh. I love this stuff. All right, I'm gonna dry my hands off. Just let you able to see. But my hands are so moisturized and smooth. So there you have it. That is emulsified sugar scrub. Like I said, there are plenty of recipes here on YouTube that I will link down in the description box. I've added my own twist to a couple of different recipes. I kind of like made it my own. And you can really become really creative making your own sugar scrubs. It's really fun to make, really easy. The ingredients are really simple and easy to find. You can purchase a lot of the ingredients at Wholesale Supplies Plus, at a Bulk Apothecary, and at Brambleberry. So I'll link everything that I purchased, where to purchase them from, and where to get the recipe to make your own emulsified sugar scrub. My Etsy shop is Uniquely Me by V, and it's uniquelyme.etsy.com, and I'll also link my shop down in the description box so that you guys can go on ahead and check that out. And like I said, I make soaps, I make body butters, I make lip balms, lip scrubs, and now emulsified sugar scrubs. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos. I'm going to try to do better demonstration videos. I do have to get a better tripod. I have like a really small one, so it's kind of like at a weird angle right now, so I do apologize for that. And I will be doing like more videos showing what I'm making and, you know, get more detailed about what I'm doing as well. So thank you guys for watching. I greatly appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.